Hey, Laura here from Toyota of Bozeman. Bit of a dual purpose video. I want to send a huge thank you to one of my Toyota technicians, Andrew, for purchasing his new Prius from me. And I also want to really underscore the confidence, again, that this Toyota trained technician had in the Prius hybrid. I've worked with Andrew for a couple years. Of course, he's Toyota trained, so he's gone to all of the courses. He's certified. He's seen these Priuses both new and with over 200,000 miles on them. And again, I really want to underscore that confidence he had in the hybrid component, the battery. You know, this is somebody who sees cars every day and understands that there's less maintenance involved in the hybrid than other vehicles. He understands the investment, and I'm super excited to see his mileage. This will be a cool one too, because he's probably going to do some lowering springs, some TRD things, so I'll keep you guys posted on that. And I'll throw up a picture now of Andrew with his Prius. He's pretty cool with it, right? So I think that all of us Prius drivers are a little cooler by association because he's driving this car now. So I appreciate him for that too. And again, just want to tell everybody, you know, Toyota trained technician, this isn't my first that I've got at my store driving a Prius. So the people are understanding more and more that these are just good, solid investments. So you can contact me directly for more information about hybrids. And again, Andrew, truly thank you.